Alright, so let's quickly learn while loop. So for while loop, you need to declare your variable first. So that's the first thing you have to initialize. Then you use the word while. Notice that it is an inbuilt word, so it is clearly understood by JavaScript. So the color has changed. So you open your parentheses, then your code block, which is your curly brace. So now inside this your while, then that is where you're going to state the condition. Let's say we want the condition to meet up to 20. So now this way we now tell it what to write out. So document dot write. So our document dot write, so you can just write dig, and then another thing you need to know is that you must not forget your increment, which is your dig plus plus. So the main difference now from this and then the for is that when you check the for the for loop, everything is written inside the same parentheses. So this is our initialization, so which is declaring something like declaring the variable, then this tells us the condition, and then this one so now we have this one now, like working with this, and this one same thing as this, and this one same thing as this. So you can either leave it this way, less than 20. So when the condition, when the number is less than 20, it should print out this. It should print out the number. But so far it is not less than 20, it's not going to print it out. Are you getting that? Or we say less than or equal to 20, whichever one we want. So let's quickly view this. So this is what we have here before. Okay, you see 0 up to 19. Okay, I'm forgetting to include my break. So if we include break now, you come here and refresh. So can you see it now? So as I've said, it works almost the same way, but the difference is if you don't know the number you want, if you are not certain of the number of times this is going to loop, then you use while. But if you are sure of the certain number of loop you want, you can use for. So that is the main two difference. Alright, so we're going to understand it better when we have more examples. See you in the next class. Bye.